We start with partnership fundamentals. Here we'll be discussing the past adjustment. That means mistakes of past. Mistakes can be of different type. Here we are talking of omission, when we forget to give something. This topic was generally a 3 marker, but lately with MCQs it has become a 1 marker. So we need to be very quick in our decision making. What if we forgot to give something? Let's study the implication of that. Adjustment is expected from us through capital account. We will not prepare P&L appropriation account here. We have to make an adjustment. So what we do is we are expected to do adjustment through the capital account. And in case capitals are fixed, adjustment is required through current account. Let's start with one example. There is a firm where A and B are two partners. Their PSR is 3:2. They prepared P&L appropriation account, but they forgot. That means they omitted to give salary to partners. Each partner was entitled to salary of rupees 10,000 per annum. If we would have prepared P&L appropriation account, on debit side we would have given this salary to A and to B 10,000 rupees. We forgot this. This has not been done. When we do this, what will happen? This is going to their capital accounts, A and B. We will do that. When we transfer this, this is having double implication. The second implication of this is, first, this is extra expense for firm. If extra thing is coming on debit side of P&L appropriation, it will decrease your profit, or in other word, it results in a loss. What is the loss? Total 20,000. Total of the two amount 20,000 extra here, 20,000 comes here. Now this will be shared in PSR. We are given 3:2 PSR. That means A and B were given extra profit of 12 and 8,000 respectively. This was given as extra profit. Take it back. Debit this. And this goes to partner. Credit this. Where to credit this? Capital account. Where to debit this? Capital account. Now, as I told you, it's a 3 or 1 marker. We'll not prepare P&L again. We prepare adjustment table. This is nothing but a replica of your capital account. I am making here debit and credit column for both partners simultaneously, A and B. I need to credit what? I need to credit them with salary. How much is it? 10,000 I have credited to A, 10,000 to B. I debit them with what? Loss or decrease in profit, which is 12 and 8,000. We will not do this process. We'll straight away prepare this. All this will be our mental exercise. It is going on in our mind. We need to analyze it. So what we have done, we analyze that salary was not given. Salary increases capital of the partner. We give them, we credit their capital account. So under credit column, I wrote 10,000 salary to A and to B. This resulted in a total extra expense of 20,000. Now this same 20,000 I write here. And this 20,000 I'm distributing to them in PSR. What is that? 3:2. So that division is 12 and 8. Now we add extra two columns here. This is basically our adjustment entry, which we get from here. Here again I put the things as debit and credit. Let's compare the two. We have debited A with 12, credited with 10. So net we have debited A with 2000 extra, 10 cancel, 2 extra. Here 8 is debited to B's account, but 10 is credited. What is more? Credit. How much more? The difference of the two, 2000 rupees. From here I get my entry. And what is my entry? A's capital account debit, B's capital account credit. Amount is 2000, the amount of net adjustment made by us. And if capitals are fixed, we use the word current account. I repeat the process. A and B are partners. PSR 3:2. In P&L appropriation, they forgot to give salary. Each partner is entitled to salary of 10,000 per annum. In that case, we will be crediting their capital account with salary and debiting their capital account with loss which it resulted in. And then we prepared this adjustment table. Let me solve one more example for the same. Example 2. Again, A and B are partners. Now they are sharing equally. We have forgotten to give them salary. Salary to A is 20,000. Salary to B is 30,000. These are their salaries, 20 and 30. PSR is equal. And we forgot to give salary. Let's directly prepare adjustment table. A, B, we write debit, credit, debit, credit. We have to credit them with salary. How much is salary of A? 20, B, 30. How much in total? 50,000. Write that same 50,000 here also. Only one adjustment is required. PS, this results in loss or firm. Loss will be divided in the ratio of 1:1. So divide 50,000, 1:1, 25,000. A debit 25, credit 20. What is more? Debit. How much more? 5,000. Debit 25, credit 30. What is more? Credit. How much more? 5,000. If capitals are fixed, my entry will be A's current account debit, B's current account credit, 5,000. If it is fluctuating, we pass the entry through capital account, A's capital debit, B's capital credit, 5,000. Thank you.